I can't believe it, but I am back home in New York. I have been gone so long, you guys. I've been gone since August, so it's almost like actually it's 4 months that we were on a kind of, what do you want to call it? A tour. My husband was on a tattoo tour. So it was taking us all over the country. So we were in LA, we were in Arizona, we were in New Mexico. I mean, we were everywhere. So, of course, then we were in Florida for a while. But you guys, now we're back home and I'm so happy to be here. I missed being home, and then this is where I can really, I just feel so comfortable chit-chatting and hanging out with you beauties and having fun. And I got so many packages here, dolls. I figured today I would just hop on with an Ipsy makeup subscription box unboxing. So this is a makeup subscription unboxing 2023 today, and look who's here. She just wanted to come and sit. Everybody's so happy to be home, you guys. Louise, oh no, Lola's behind me. I'll grab her in a moment. Louise right there. So everybody, the whole family's here, guys. So anyway, yeah. Now I have so many packages, PR packages that I got, but I'm exhausted. So today I'm not going to be able to open them, but hopefully tomorrow I'll be back and we'll do a huge PR haul unboxing, and then I'm going to have a huge giveaway. So I can't wait. But today I got this beautiful box from Ipsy that I'm really excited to open, because Ipsy boxes, and Ipsy is now teamed with Boxycharm, and their boxes are always amazing, and there's always just stuff that I love that I just can't wait to get my paws on. So I figure let's open that up, right? It's right here. And it looks really good, guys. It's big. It was a big box. And I am gonna try to hop on with as many giveaways as possible. So especially this holiday season. So today I'm giving away this gift set here. And this is a set of Murad skincare for clear skin. So this is the Murad Rapid Relief Sulfate Mask for acne. You could give it as a gift too, if you want, to somebody in your life. Especially, this will make a great holiday gift, I think, for that skincare lover. Maybe a teen in your life that you might be struggling with acne. I think you're gonna get this, today's winner. So just be a subscriber and comment down below hashtag GlamFam. If you can't use the hashtag, just, you can write GlamFam, and that way I know you want to be entered into today's giveaway. But beauties, here is the Ipsy box. Now, do you see why I was itching to get into this? Because it is huge. So this is the Ipsy creator box, and so this is going to be Ipsy goodies, Boxycharm goodies, and so yeah, this is the creator incubator. So I can't wait. We're getting in here the Glambag, which is 5 deluxe beauty samples. And members of Ipsy will choose one full-size product in addition to the samples. And then it is a $70 value, but it is only $13 a month to join for the Ipsy Glam Bag. And then there is the Boxycharm division of Ipsy now. And actually with Boxycharm, you're getting those full-size products. So yes, you're getting 5 full-size products, and members choose 3 of the products. It's a $200 value, and it is $28 a month. What is better? And I'm telling you, these are definitely a $200 value, and they're all amazing things, that you really want, because that's what I love, get the Boxycharm portion of the creator box. If I could, if they weren't good enough to send this to me, which they were going to send this to me, I would definitely join Boxycharm, because if you haven't seen it already, wait till you see the products that they send you. And this is not just me, because I'm a creator. They send this to whoever is joined up. So, and then there is also the Icon box, which is 8 celeb curated full-size products worth up to $350, and it is $58. So let's get into it, beauties. I'm so excited. There's no, I'm stuttering. I'm so excited. I can't even believe that I'm up and functioning right now, because I'm so exhausted. We just drove like 15 hours straight to get home, and we didn't take a break. But I'm just so happy to be here. I guess I'm just running on adrenaline at this point, because I'm just so happy to be home. And it's, I mean, who wouldn't be happy to open their Ipsy box and their Boxycharm, right? So that's why I'm just, otherwise I'd be too exhausted. But I'm so excited to see what we got this month, beauties. And now you remember too, let me know down below which one is your favorite, which membership are you joined up for. So let's just go ahead and get that first impressions together. Well, Okay, wow. Oh, I just sent in us some Myrex. Yes. Okay, I'm so excited. Okay, first of all, here is a setting spray. So this is from Mishu Beauty. It says it's infused with vitamin E and glycerin and ginseng root extract. So let me go ahead and give this a try. Oh, it's beautiful packaging. I love setting spray. It doesn't have a scent. Very, very, very fine mist. So if you like a very fine mist, this definitely is a fine mist. And it does feel, moisturizing and hydrating on my skin. So that's really nice. Let's put that aside. Hopefully we'll see some glow action or something going on. Okay, here is LYS Beauty Speak Love. So this is Clean Beauty Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. So should we put some of this on right now? Because it sounds amazing. And my lips are so chapped. I love the triangle shape. Their contour stick also has a nice triangle shape to it. So that feels really good. Wow. When I was away, I ran out of my Forget the Filler lip plumper. I used it all up and I ran out and my lips were crying. My lips were like, please, we need something. And I was using a few different things, but nothing was as good as the Forget the Filler. But this is really nice. This feels really good like the Forget the Filler. So this might be a good option too if you're in the market. I do believe they do have that at Sephora and it is Clean Beauty. It's women owned and all that. So that's LYS Beauty. And they gave you two. Feels incredible, truly. Very thick feeling and it feels like it's not gonna transfer. It's feeling very stay put. So Here Beauties is another Murad skincare. This is the Rapid Collagen Infusion. So can't wait to try this because I do see this is something that I can use. So I will try this out and I'll get back to you, beauties. But I love everything that I tried from Murad so far. So can't wait to try that. And then here is the Quick Flick. This is for perfect wings. Oh, so I can't wait to try this because I love these eyeliner stamps. I don't know what it is because I can make a wing, but I just love these stamps. There's something about them. The ones that I've tried. I mean, well, the one that I've been using is the Kaja. So I can't wait to try this one because I love my Kaja one. So this one looks very promising, beautiful packaging. So we'll try that out. I'll do like a little TikTok or something and we'll try it out together. I'll be back with that. And then here is Danessa Myrex Dew Wet Balm. And this is a highlighting face and body balm. So you guys, I had something. I wonder if this is what I had, but it was like a clear highlighter. I wonder if this is the same thing and I loved it. Yeah, I think this is the same thing that I have already. Oh no, this is different because the one that I have is clear and this one is rose toned. So, ooh, and I love the clear one that I have. So let me go ahead and put some on. See if you guys see any difference. Let me know. It's very moisturizing. Feels really nice on the skin. So I actually don't, hopefully I didn't bring a mirror. So hopefully, let's see. Hopefully that doesn't look wonky. Let me go ahead and grab a mirror. So beauties, I just grabbed a mirror and what do you think? Okay, let me see if I blended it right. Is it blended? Am I blended or what? It's very cute. It's natural and definitely hydrating. So, what do you guys think? Do you have that product? Have you tried it? Let me know down below. I know I have the clear one in my makeup stash and I love it. So guys, look at this. What in the world is this? Oh my gosh. Look at that. Tell me that is not a full-size product. That's huge. This is the Drunk Elephant Conditioning Leave-In Milk. Silk amino acids, pH 0.40. So I guess this is a hair product. Yes, this is a leave-in conditioner. So can't wait to try that. And then here is this Pat McGrath mascara. I love Pat McGrath mascara. It's just amazing. Seriously, it's out of all my mascaras, I think that is definitely my favorite just because it just gives instant volume. Yes, it is the Pat McGrath mascara. It gives you, oh, and it's black. Because at one time I got one and it was pink and I really couldn't use that personally. But black is my thing. Black is my jam. And so this is amazing. This is definitely out of all my mascaras because I like a more glam look. So this will give you straight out the wand to your lashes a glam look. Thick, full, in seconds. No work needed. So that is definitely, if you like a thick lash, that's the way to go. I'm so glad I got that. And then let's see, there is something else here is the Herbivore Vitamin C and Caffeine Brightening Eye Cream. This is their Supernova eye cream. So can't wait to try that. We have so many skincare options here that I'll be back with. So let me go ahead and put that aside now. So guys, here is our next box to open here. So let's go ahead and see what we've got in here. So in this box is the Vitamin C Lip Treatment from KOA Life. Can't wait to try that. Here is an Anastasia Satin Lipstick in taupe beige. I love Anastasia lips. Here is Gloss Moderne Luxury Body Cream. So let me go ahead and try this right now. Let's see how they got me. They sold me on this luxury body cream. I'm like, okay, let's give it a try. It smells so good, you guys. Wow. It's very light, just beautiful. There's maybe just a slightly floral, but very, very light and luxurious. And my skin feels so soft. I don't know if you watch my videos on a regular, but I really generally don't like lotion because they feel sticky, but this does not feel sticky. It makes your skin feel so silky, so soft. Wow. Even if you just use this on your hands, it's a dream because my hands were getting really dry. And this feels incredible. Like it leaves you with that silky feeling, if you know what I mean, not sticky. So I also love the packaging. So this is paraben free, and I can't wait. I'm gonna drench myself in this tonight. And then here is Kopari Purifying Gel Cleanser. So I've not tried this yet. I can't wait to try this. Look at this. This will last me for like 6 months. So these are such a great deal. Because the first box that I showed you, I'm sure, was the Icon box, which retails for $58. And then this here is the Boxycharm box. So this is the box that I'm showing you right now. You would have gotten this for $28. So again, so far we have the Kopari cleanser, this amazing body lotion, this Anastasia lip, and it looks like a gorgeous neutral color, this vitamin C lip treatment, and then yes, this is what you would get if you joined for Boxycharm. Here is a palette. Let's see what it is. Oh my god, this is an amazing deal. Can you believe all of this for $28? That's crazy. So this is the Alamar Destino eyeshadow palette. Unlock your power and discover your endless possibilities. So this looks gorgeous, you guys. Let's go ahead and just do a quick unboxing of this. And let's see here. Oh, that is gorgeous. Shimmers are just outrageous. So can't wait to get my hands into that. I'll be back and we'll make a look with that. And then finally, beauties, I have here our Glambag. So this bag goes for $13 a month, and it is a $70 value. So let's see exactly what we got in our Glambag now. I do believe these are samples, but one full-size product, I believe. But, you know, the samples in here are usually a very good size, and they're, you know, you get a good use out of them. So that's the good news. And you always get these beautiful bags. So how gorgeous is this? It's this really beautiful soft material and the gold trim. So it's so pretty. And then inside is all of your products. So let's go ahead and see here. We have the Grown Alchemy polishing facial exfoliant. I've used this before and I absolutely love it. It's very good. Did not break me out. I have very sensitive skin, so everything will break me out, but that didn't. Now here is Mary and May. This is an eye cream, so can't wait to use that. And then see, this is what they're calling it. This is a full-size product right here. Look how big it is. This is from Eliman Beauty, a beautiful shimmer tone. Can't wait to use that. And then here is this an eyeliner? This is from Estate Cosmetics. I love Estate Cosmetics Precision Liquid Liner. So can't wait to get my hands onto that. Again, I'll be back when we'll test everything out, and I'll just, you know, I'll do shorts. And then here is Tarte Mascara. So look how cute. Small little sample size. So great to travel with and take with you on the go, or just fit in your makeup bag. So beauties, that was everything in my Ipsy Glambag, my Boxycharm, and my Icon box this month. So again, if you beauties are joined up into any of these, let me know what you got this month, what you're loving. How do you love being a member? And also beauties, don't forget to take part in today's giveaway for that Murad uh kit for that Murad skincare. So let me go ahead and grab it so I can show you beauties again. And here is what you'll be receiving, the winner of today's giveaway. So thank you beauties so much for coming to hang out with me today. I will be back very soon because I'm having well, I am going to be having a huge giveaway. I'm going to be mailing out the giveaways that I've had. I can't wait. And I'm going to do a huge PR unboxing. If you could see all of this PR from me, you literally would not believe your eyes. It's crazy. But I just can't. I can't do it today. But I got to show you. Here, come say hi, Bonita. I got to show you Lola. She got her little outfit on. Her little cute. Look at my beautiful princess. And she has her little fleece. Oh, she's hot because we have a fireplace here, and she's was sitting in front of the fire, and she's actually this feels like this is too hot. Is this too hot for you, or are you cozy? Look how cute this is. This is her little fleece. It's from Justice. Can you believe it? You know how they have that brand Justice is for like preteens and things like that, and they have the little cute dog outfits. So I got her that and a little hoodie. Want to show me your hoodie? Show them how cute. Show them how cute you are with the hoodie. You guys, they've been on with me the whole time that we've been traveling, so they've been all over the place. You want to come say hi, Louie? Louie's here. And of course, here's Miss Roxy. Say hi. So anyway, beauties, don't forget to subscribe to today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. And don't forget to comment Glam Fam down below if you'd like to be entered into today's little giveaway. And that's pretty much it. So I hope you beauties are all doing good, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.